So about a few weeks ago, I recently did a video. Actually, I did two videos. The first one was I didn't know Cash App had the option where you can actually borrow money. So I'm like, look, have anybody seen this? Should I borrow? How does it work? General stuff. Now in the second video, I'm like, Lando, just borrow money yourself and you can tell the people exactly how it went. So when I borrowed money, did it, I paid back probably like 2 weeks early. The fee was only $5 and they increased my borrow limit from $100 to $125. A lot of people in the comments completely been asking, how do people have the option to be able to borrow money? Because I checked on my wife's phone, she don't have it. Seen in the comments, a lot of people said they didn't have it. Now on the other side, you have some people saying they got up to $400 that they can actually borrow. So I decided to do a little bit more research to be able to help you guys out, right? So it say, and this is on my app, it say $125 borrow limit. This is the amount that you can borrow. It may change based on several factors, including whether you pay the loan on time. Now, if people don't have the option to be able to get the loan, so how you gonna pay the loan on time? So that one is, more advanced. But the second one to say is how much money you deposit into Cash App and keep there. Let's talk about that one. How often do you actually use Cash App? Do people send you money a lot? Do you get money sent a lot? Do you have a direct deposit going to your Cash App? You got to think the more you use it, the more you actually hold money there, the higher the options. Now with me, I use Cash App all the time. I'm sending money. I'm doing a lot with Cash App. So it makes sense for me. But the reason I am limited on how much I can probably get because I don't hold money in Cash App long term. And plus I do not have any direct deposits going there. So if we look at my phone, and I did this one, I actually decided to borrow $125 and I didn't pay it back on time to see exactly what happens. Now I did this for you so we can see exactly what went on. And basically when you don't pay it on the day, the first thing in the morning, they like, yo, where my money, man? Where is my money? They basically want their money ASAP. They like, look, if you want to stay in good standings, pay this stuff back. So I waited 2 days and I paid it back. They actually didn't charge me like a fee or a late fee or anything. So I just was able to pay back exactly what they asked. But the difference this time, they did not increase my limit. Last time when I had $100 and I paid it back on time, it increased it to $125. So now I'm learning if you don't pay it on time, they're going to still let you borrow. They still actually gave me the option to be able to borrow. Now, if you look at my loan repayment cycle, and you click it, it said, interest due 1.25 and $6. So now you see where it say, March 23rd, $10, and April 2nd, $2. This is when I was having the money just being deposited there where people was paying me or whatever it was, and they would just take like $1 here, they would take $2 here. I think they go by a percentage what they take. They should have just took more if they wanted the money. And when it came down to April 15th, when it was due, I didn't have the money in there. So you see it said the X. And even though I paid it past the 15th, I don't remember the exact day I paid it. But I guess they just changed the day as if you paid it on time. So don't be afraid to let me know in the comments exactly what's going on with you, what problems you are having, if you have a high borrowing limit. If so, what is the algorithm what you're doing to be able to get this borrowing limit. So like, let us know if you have direct deposit or how much money do you transfer in and out of your Cash App to be able to borrow, because I guess a lot of people are interested in this just off the views and the engagements on my last two videos. So the goal is to be able to help people out, because having an extra $100, $200 or $300 can help a lot of people out, especially if I happen to go to like a payday loan. You can just do it on Cash App, and if you're honest and you're going to pay it back, it's actually a good buffer to have. Hope all is well. I'm Lando Sess. I will talk to you guys later.